Hi dear students, in this video we are going to explain the area of a sector and arc length. A sector is a region of a circle enclosed by two radii and the arc. It's we can say a kind of slice of the pizza, and here the area is proportional to the size. It's with respect to its angle. The angle is important here. That's why in the formula we have theta over 360 degree, because how much it is bigger, how much this angle is bigger, the area, it should be that much bigger. You know that one. If it is 90 degree, let's say, it is 1/4 of it. So 90 over 360, which is 1/4 also, it's going to be. We are going to solve this kind of questions. And I want to mention only one more extra here, which is equal to theta over 360 can be written also like this. Theta times pi r square over 360 degree, or pi r square theta over 360. You can see here in different books. Okay, the next one is the arc length. As we mentioned, the arc length here is the part of the circumference. It is the part of the circumference, and it is again related with the angle. Because how much angle is bigger, that much the arc length, it should be bigger, proportional, direct proportional. That's why the formula in the circumference time divided by theta over 360, which means all the circle, we know that it is 360 degree, by the way. And we can rewrite this one like 2 pi r theta over 360 degree. Also, you can see this kind of formulas in the different books. Okay, let's solve some questions now. For that one, we need to be careful about the angle firstly. And here it's asking find the length of minor arc. By the way, there's a new definition here. Minor arc. A minor arc is the smaller of two arcs in the diagram. Here there are two arcs. This arc, bigger arc, this is the major arc, it is called. And the minor arc is the smaller one. So when you put 2 points on the circle, it's dividing into two arcs. This is the minor arc and this is the major arc. Okay, find the length of minor arc and the area of the same sector. So we are going to firstly find the length of the arc, which is equal to 2 pi r theta over 360 degree it's going to be. Then in the formula, everything is given. The length of the arc is equal to 2 times pi. We are going to keep as a pi, and the r is given in the question. It is 6, which is here times 6 times 60 over 60, because the angle is given, theta angle is 60 over 360, it's going to be. So I can simplify here, I can simplify the 360 and 60 by dividing by 60. When you divide by 60, this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 6, by the way. This is going to be 6, by the way. And this is 1, it should be. Then this 6 and this one, also you may simplify. This is going to be 1 and this is going to be 1, which means that the answer of the question, it's going to be L, the length of the, here 1 times 1 times 2 pi divided by 1. There's no need to write that one, so the answer is going to be equal to 2 pi centimeter, because the distance is in terms of centimeter. Now I'm going to continue with the area of this sector, and area of the sector is equal to pi r square theta over 360 degree, which is equal to pi times 6 square times theta is 60 over 360, which is equal to 60 and 360. Again, we can simplify here. But before that one, I want to multiply pi times 36 times 60 divided by 360, because I think it's going to be easier with that way. 360 divided by 36 and 36 divided by 36, it's going to be, both of them is going to be equal to 1. This is going to be 1 and this is going to be 10. I'm sorry about that one. And 10 is 10 with 60. I can write like this instead of writing like this. I can make this is 10, and 10 if you simplify with 10, if you simplify with 60, 10 and 60 both divided by 10, and the result it's going to be equal to here 1, and here, sorry, here it's going to be 1, and here it's going to be 6, and down is 1. So the answer it's going to be equal to pi times 1 times 6, which is equal to 6 pi, and the down it's going to be only 1, which is 6 pi over 1, and that's going to be equal to 6 pi. But here we should be careful about this one. 6 pi centimeter square is going to be, since this is centimeter and this is going to be centimeter square, because this formula is representing the area. Okay, if we continue with the next question, this time the arc length it is given to us. First, we are going to calculate the by using the formula. Arc length it is given 3 pi. I'm going to find the angle. Then I'm going to find the area of the length of the major arc. I'm going to find the length of the major arc. For that one, we need to know firstly this angle. Then we are going to subtract and we are going to find it. Or I can calculate the whole circumference. Then I'm going to subtract the 3 pi length. Let's see firstly in the circle the length of the minor arc is 3 pi centimeter and the radius is 9 centimeter, which means the formula for the the formula for the arc length, it's going to be equal to, I'm solving the A here, 2 pi r theta over 360, and this is equal to 3 pi, by the way. And firstly, I'm going to, since on both sides we have pi, I'm simplifying the pi from both sides, and I'm going to give the values now. 2 times r, it's going to be 9, 2 times 9 times theta divided by 360, it's going to be equal to 3. This is the first step. And then 2 times 9 times theta is equal to 3 times 360, and 18 theta is equal to 3 times 360. I don't want to multiply because I'm going to simplify them now. Theta is going to be equal to 3 times 360 divided by 18. 18 and 3, you can do the same thing here. 360 divided by 18, it's going to be equal to 20. So I'm going to simplify this to this 2, and this is going to be 20, and this is going to be 1. So 3 times 20 is going to be equal to 60. So theta is equal to 60, I found. And in B, we can use both formula also. 360, firstly, if this is 60 degree, I'm finding that this is equal to 360 minus 60. It's going to be, which is equal to 300. So 360 minus 60 is going to be equal to 300 degree. And with respect to that one, L is equal to 2 pi r times theta over 360. It's going to be the length of the arc, the major arc, but this major. So it's going to be equal to 2 times pi times 9 times 300. Pi, I wrote like h. (300) divided by 360, and if you divide both of them by 5, this is going to be, and this is going to be, I'm sorry, if you divide both of them by 60, this is going to be equal to 6, and this is going to be equal to 5. So 6 and we can calculate like this. 6 and 9 you can divide by both of them divisible by 3. You will divide this one and this one by 3. This is going to be 3 and this is going to be 2. And this 2 also you may simplify by this 2, which is equal to 1 and 1. It's going to be. Okay, then what left up, what left down? Down is 1. What left up is 1 times pi times 3 times 5. It's going to be, which is equal to 15 pi. It has to be pi centimeter, by the way, because the length is in terms of centimeter. It's going to be